Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money using PayPal. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Once you're securely logged in, look for the Send and Request tab at the top of your screen. This is your starting point for all money transfers. From there, select the option to send money to friends or family, which typically has lower or no fees for personal payments. It's a straightforward process to begin your transaction. Next, you'll need to provide the recipient's details. You can enter their email address or their mobile phone number. It's absolutely crucial to double-check this information for any typos or errors, as even one incorrect character could send your money to the wrong person. Also, ensure your recipient has an active PayPal account linked to that email or phone number to receive the funds smoothly. Now specify the amount of money you wish to send. Type in the exact figure, for example, $25.50. Then, choose your preferred funding source. You can use your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit or credit card. Always take a moment to review any potential transaction fees that might apply, especially if you're using a credit card or sending money internationally. Finally, you'll reach the review screen. This is your last chance to carefully check all the transaction details, the amount, the recipient's information, and your chosen funding source. Make sure everything is exactly as you intend. Once you are completely satisfied, click the Send Money Now button to complete the transfer. Your money will then be on its way to the recipient, usually within moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.